Hey guys, come on into this master bathroom that is part of this monster house project that we did down in Calcutta. Show you a bunch of the details that we have in here. You'll notice a lot of the trim details around doors and windows, a lot of Baird Brothers parts incorporated. We have crown molding with inverted baseboard as well. Very nicely done with little return pieces that create the look of columns on these short wall sections. The toilet room has wainscoting, 1x material to give a little more decorative look in there. So one of the reasons that we decided to do this wainscoting on the walls in this toilet room, of all rooms in the bathroom, to get this decorative, is because on the inside this wall there is a Moen, there's actually two Moen digital shower control valves that need to be accessed in the event of any sort of maintenance issue. So there are fasteners located just under this top 1x4 that allow both of these panels to come out and service the valves and then put them back, and it remains a decorative wall. We've got obviously mosaic tile across the entirety of the bathroom floor that carries into the shower. Large format tile in the shower with Moen digital controls and multiple fixtures that turn this almost into a car wash, so to speak. Custom cabinetry throughout, getting ready area for her, 2 sinks either side, linen cabinet, and then we have our custom built sauna out of raw cedar material from Baird Brothers. At the end of the bathroom here, we have a very unique soaker tub that actually weighed over 600 pounds without any water in it. And so, being preemptive during construction, we crated this thing up, protected it, and had it hoisted up onto this floor during the framing stage, knowing that it would have been very difficult to bring this up a flight of stairs. So this was here very long ago during early stages of construction for that reason.